This accredited Food Safety Level 2 course is essential for anyone who handles food. Designed to increase the trainees' attention, the content covers food hygiene and the health implications of poor practice, how to avoid contamination, personal responsibility when working with food, and the importance of cleaning, cooking and chilling. The course includes the personal testimony of a victim of severe food poisoning and features detailed medical explanations of the diseases involved, so trainees can really understand the impact of poor habits in the food workplace. Filmed in high definition, the course is streamed online, so it can be easily taken anywhere and on any device. Knowledge retention levels are considerably higher when people learn from video, particularly when there's some humour added to increase attention. Reinforcement of key points is important, so there are questions at the end of each section. Get the answers right and the trainee can move on to the next part of the film. When each section has been completed successfully, the candidate can download a personalised and accredited certificate. This is not dull and boring e-learning, and it's not death by PowerPoint. This is engaging, effective and memorable. This is Food Safety Level 2 from Shout Out Safety.